Hey guys, I'm actually not Mr. Gold, but
my new name's Footspin 201. That's my friend.
well, I'm actually not Mr.
Hey
Gold,
guys,
but
look at my bike.
I can fit in by Mr. Gold. Here's his bike again.
That is his bike.
And guys, this you might not have got the video, but because I think he didn't send it. It was a red bike. It was a blue bike, and then we turned it into red and blue and silver. For our Patriots! And now,
The pegs and pedals are silver.
yep.
So,
And now we're gonna hop on the bikes, going at a little stream. Nice little bike ride. But yeah.
oh guys, I need to show you something on the way when we get back. Ow!
The video where we were tubing and all of that, after that, we
We
actually,
just got out of the water like 10 minutes ago.
no, like 5 minutes ago. We got out of the water like 10 minutes ago.
Guys, we go fast with this bike. I've been one
Yeah.
pedal, 2 pedals, 3
I can do 1 foot, but
7, 8.
it's hard because we're on a bumpy road,
This
y'all.
is 10 pedals, guys. 10 pedals.
Those are the sneakers I had, but I gave him those sneakers.
Red Nikes.
He might be older than me, but I think the big stuff, so. Yeah.
Yeah, he's sticking to 5 and 3.
And guys, we can't go any farther because I own right there.
We were able to go farther last time because no one was home.
Well, they were, but we just snuck. So, kaboom! Now we're heading on the way back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 1,000 years ago. I wasn't even alive. He wasn't alive. That was there 1,000 years ago. What's that? Yeah. And that grass was there 1,000 years ago. That camp was there 1,000 years ago. Those trees were there 1,000,000 years ago. He was there for 9 years. I've been in here for 8 years. Beat that. So, guys, we got back to my dad. I'm so funny. I'm so funny. Dude, we should check it if anyone got in the shed. We didn't lock that all night. We didn't lock that at all. It's not even locked. Hey! Get out if you're in here.
We got a weapon.
If you don't come out, if we find
Here,
you,
I'll
we're going to
film.
kill you. I'm not serious. Well, actually, I'm serious.
So, guys, this is the shed. Bunch of wood. So,
I know you're behind that mattress, idiot.
stop.
Ugh! No, I'm broken.
Tell me if anyone.
Nope.
No one? Okay, you guys probably gonna see.
Look what we have. That's my last name.
No, we can't show that. But so guys, light. Look at this light. He can't get a sting. Okay, let's go. Hey guys, watch this. Yeah.
This is how it's done, y'all.
Now guys, this is my bike.
Done, people. Echo. Woo!
Alright, we're gonna go down by the lake right now.
Let's go.
Where second video of the day was filmed.
Hey, look at me. Oh!
He dabs. His older brother, which is like 16,
17.
17 does not like dabbing.
He says, don't die.
So guys, his dad is right up there. Guys, we're at a haunted house. No, we're not. We're at his camp. So guys, that is the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one.